So let me show you how to measure blood oxygen on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So the first thing you need to do is just put on your watch. And when you put on your watch, make sure it's snug, not too tight, just snug enough on your wrist. And also you want to push it slightly higher on your wrist. Now, normally you put it directly on the wrist, but this time you want to make it a bit higher on the wrist. Now, once you do that, the next thing you have to do is make sure you have the blood oxygen widget. Okay, so if you swipe across to the health widgets or any of the widgets here, you can edit any widget and add the blood oxygen tile. So let's find some featured widgets here. So we have heart rate there, vascular load. Let's look at some of the health widgets. So let's go to other, under health, cycle tracking. You have all that. We're trying to find blood oxygen. Actually, that should be under vitals. So go to vitals and you should see blood oxygen. So you can choose any of these. So I'm going to choose this full page widget. So I'm going to tap on that and then I'm going to have it added. Okay. So once you do that, then now you can hit the back button and then you have a whole page for blood oxygen. Okay. So now when you're ready to measure, just tap on measure. It's going to give you instructions. One is to move your watch higher on your wrist, which I've already done. The other thing is to place your elbow on a table, which I'm going to do just now, and then hold your wrist near your heart. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, and once I do that, it should start measuring blood oxygen. So just tap OK, and it's going to start measuring. So let me stay still and put my hand where I'm told to put it. Now, unfortunately, this cannot be on camera, so I'm just going to you're just gonna have to trust me. So as you can see, for me, I have a reading of about 100. I don't know, it disappeared so quickly. So the last reading I had was 100. And so it takes a bit of attempts, maybe a couple of attempts for you to get it right. But that's my blood oxygen. Although your watch automatically measures blood oxygen from time to time. So you don't have to do it manually. You can just go and get readings that it will give you an average of your readings. Thanks for watching. Well, before I sign out, let me just show you how you can see those readings on the health app. Okay, so just go to the so open the health app, and under Samsung Health, you want to scroll and find the blood oxygen tile, and you can tap on it, and you can see my latest reading was 100%. But then of course you can see the graph of your previous readings. So you can see I've been 84 to 100%. And then today I have 100%, and I had 79 to 99%. So those are your previous readings, especially when you're sleeping. Okay, so you can see the time frame for when these readings were taken. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.